नहीं
had to revive the player, and you can see Twisted Minds have no thought of
Background
backing off,
audience
and
noise
I
नहीं
don't see them retreating from this fight. They're stuck
वो
here,
background
and it
noise
could
नहीं आ रही
become
यार।
even more difficult because
वो
the
हिंदी में
resources
मजा नहीं आ
in
रहा,
the
वो
early
background
game will
noise
not
जरूरी
be
है।
that great, and the challenge is still happening. Twisted Minds have a glue wall right in front. Yoska's radiant dash doesn't work over there, but still
TG आगे ऊपर
Explosive
से-
tries to bring it
क्या
back and
बात है,
exchange on
TG
an
तीन kill ले
elimination.
ली, chat।
And it's Total Gaming
Chat,
that is the
WTG
one
in the
that
chat।
caused disaster for both squads. Are getting
भाई,
that
ऊपर से
elimination
आके
early
third
on
party
onto
की
the
कड़क।
bus. That is going to stop every altercation that has happened to this point
ऊपर से
and
आके
shift
कड़क
the
third party की
focus of
Total
Twisted
Gaming में
Minds
W।
towards themselves. 3 eliminations early on. How he
W
gets
भाई।
bailed out of this situation. Everyone lives on.
मतलब
But
ऐसा लग रहा है
let's
अपन भी
see how
लैंड
far Total
में बैठ
Gaming
के
wants to
देख रहे
push
हैं क्योंकि
this.
इसमें ना बैकग्राउंड लाइन का नॉइज आ रहा है हिंदी वाले में नहीं आ
They wanted this
रहा है
opportunity for a long time. Their team in the making itself needed some fine tuning with the new addition coming in water. And it seems like it's working out. And there it
क्या
is.
बात है यार,
He
Total
finds
Gaming,
one, but
bro।
quickly traded off by Diamond.
ये हुई ना
So
शुरुआत।
there is answer coming in from Twisted Mind, but they have to be very and Mafia
मार
looks
दे,
like
इसको
he's
भी मार
back
दे।
in form. Picks up
Mafia,
Diamond.
क्या
Man
बात
who
है
troubled
यार।
them. That is another elimination
Chat,
added to the pool. And
take
Total
kill।
Gaming right at the start get a
Bro,
total of
क्या बात
6,
कर रहे हो?
doubling Twisted Minds.
Yeah, took off on a sprint in a marathon and off to
क्या
a
बात कर रहे हो?
great start. 6 eliminations at the back, and unfortunately
ये
for the
skills अभी lobby
Bas,
में,
doesn't really
6
have much
kills।
resources in his bank. So even a revive
Bro, W
would be an
यार।
impossible task as of now. To make things worse, not much resources nearby that he can go for. At least no
This is
coins
what I was
in
worried
sight.
about.
एसएडीएल
You
वर्सेस
just say with
लेआउट
Total Gaming, they have something in store for us.
पीजी का डब्ल्यू है
You can see back
आज
the feeling
के
of what we
आज
saw
2
from Gun
लाख
Dynasty earlier on, right?
This fight is you cannot
रॉकेट्स आंदो
be weighing the scale on just one team. It could change within the blink of an eye. Twisted Minds had the upper hand over there, but instantly turned around Mia Corp and now SHUL Esports. And similarly, Total Gaming have to do some magic.
Total Gaming versus Lion, जो मैं बोल रहा था शुरू में, वो हो गया।
Breaking the glue wall open. Not the best weapon for Aztec,
W knock
but he
यार।
had his teammate on the
Wota,
other end.
W
Wota
knock।
pushing him into his crosshair, and they find the knock. Confirmation to follow as well.
W
Total
knock यार।
Gaming this time going a rather aggressive approach at the very start, finding
और
the
एक
next
knock।
knock as well, and that's going to be Aztec.
क्या बात
Sets
है
it up
यार
for Water and confirms one himself as
क्या
well.
बात है,
Total
दोनों
Gaming
टीमों ने
up to
चालू कर दिया बे
2,
मारना।
has the third one to get chased
और एक
down with his
knock।
Mafia with the Car 98.
और एक knock।
So make it 3 for the Indian team. But the job is not done just yet. They might have weathered the storm and sent
SCDL ने
Lion
भी मारा,
packing
Total Gaming ने भी
temporarily.
मारा,
But
दोनों मार
RQ
रहे।
has just shown up in the compound, attracted by the gunfire, the noise of bullets flying in the air. And let's see if Total Gaming can hold a candle to the Kings of Kings.
It is going to be tough. Of how we ended up seeing RRQ without getting any point, going down in game number 1 and instantly in game number 2, 13 total eliminations. If they had placement points, they'd have looked at the top 5. And now they have an opportunity. But Total Gaming, they took an aggressive foot forward. Can they continue that is something that we have to wait
Strong
and
map है इंडिया का,
approach
तो
for.
W है यार।
Early, this team from the
W
very
है।
beginning have been surprising every squad and now challenging Fluxo, taking the player but sent down. And Fluxo in trouble. MT7's also spotted. Hawk will try to take him down with his crosses. Sneaking through. Can he find the hit on the Car 98? But no,
TG अभी
so
RRQ को
far.
मार रही क्या?
And somehow Fluxo will be
Recall
able to
दे
make
दिया
a run.
And
अपने
RQ
जो भी
has done
बंदे
some
TG के मारे थे
significant
recall
damage
दे
to
दिया।
Total Gaming.
और
2 to
रे?
go down. But Mafia
Mafia?
responds and Kai and gives himself the third RRQ, shattered in an instant.
ओए
Everybody who watches Total
Rock
Gaming
Hilda,
in India,
Hilda.
they know what Mafia is capable of. If he is in
Rock
form, the
Hilda.
entire squad will rally with
SCDL
him.
के recall हो
And it
जाएंगे,
seems
recall हो
like
जाएंगे
in
भाइयों।
game number 3, they've decided.
Recall हो जाएंगे भाइयों,
again,
tension नहीं।
the last man, Neptune spoke about this.
Recall हो जाएंगे,
Being a
उड़ीसा आने के
sniper,
बाद।
the last man is not at all the best way to
Come on,
play it.
जरूर आना,
If that
fans।
Suzy passive works out, he has a lot of
Daniel
coins.
Prince भाई,
He
thank you for
does
40.
at this point, but it's only 1300, not a full squad revive.
W
But
base।
he'll still manage to do something. because
Recall
it's
दे
the
दिया
early
SCDL के लड़के
game.
ने W हो
And
जाओ
he's forced to backtrack as well because
W
you're Bunny
दबा
from
दो।
SAUL
Jewel
Gaming on
जाने
that
दो।
low ground. No vending machines inside Ma'ao. With the
Hitlist.
weight of the entire team on his shoulders, just like the previous game. He's done it once,
Check
but there's
kill
only a
TG.
limit to how much revives he can bring back before the weight crushes him.
Check
Check back
kill
with
मार दी
RQ
TG
just
ने।
a little bit. Straw has now showed up the compound of Mia Corp, who are just vacating that spot. But you gotta look back at this moment when Ma'ao gets the setup to his team, finds 2, but immediately the response came in from Mafia to get even more
माफिया
damage
ने
done.
बहुत प्यारा मारा भाई
Wait, Mal? He takes the zip line, heading back.
It's a vending
RRQ, he
machine.
did not get the revive. Yeah, this was a very risky approach. Shanky,
Bro,
if he knew that was happening
आखिरी
through
बंदा
the zip
बचा
line,
है।
he could have taken him down. But Mal making a run, Shanky has spotted him, but I
It'll be
think
close.
he will be able to manage. No! He gets close!
ओह रिकॉल दे दिया रे
Just in time.
रिकॉल दे दिया रे
Rams and Ducks get
और फिर दबा कर रिकॉल हो जाता है क्या
And
एक
they're
सेकंड
back
में?
in action. They'll be